Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing deliberately. Make sure you can run Cambion drift bounties and bring out E-damage plus a stealth or crowd control frame. Once done, queue a Tier 3 bounty or pick nodes that list rare spawns. This increases the chance a Sprag will appear. You want a quick extraction path and at least one friend to ping spawns. This reduces downtime and lets you exploit spawn windows. Make sure to set your loadout so you can clear waves fast and confirm resource tracking is on. You now focus on forcing the right spawn. Sweep large sections quickly to rotate the spawn table and concentrate on infestation nests and vault areas where rare units tend to spawn. Once you hear distinct spawn audio or see multiple map pings, pull back slightly and watch for the unique silhouette. This is when Sprag tends to appear. Make sure to tag and mark the area for teammates, and funnel enemies into your AoE so you can identify and single out the Sprag without letting it escape. You finish by isolating and confirming the Sprag. Once it appears, suppress its movement with crowd control and finish it quickly to secure drops. After extraction, check the mission summary to confirm any blueprint or rare drop. If you didn't find it, change nodes or re-roll the bounty. Spawn tables are RNG, so repeat attempts are normal. If things go wrong, invite more players to increase spawn checks or swap to a different Cambion drift node. That usually resolves persistent no-spawn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.